In this video, I am going to demonstrate how we go about accessing and adjusting speech settings that are found within iOS on both iPhone and iPad. For this video, I am demonstrating on an iPad that is currently running iOS 12. We are currently in the settings and are already on the General tab. From here, we will press on Accessibility and then press Speech. Firstly, we press Speak Selection in order to activate the Speak functionality throughout iOS. Once this has been turned on, the Speak function will become available upon a long press on selected text. In the Message app, a long press on an entire message will offer a Speak option, reading back the selected message, and in Notes, a long press in the Edit area will offer Speak Sentence. Next, we press Highlight Content in order to enter the options, and then press Highlight Content to activate the function. This provides some form of visual feedback whilst text is being read back. This is useful as it provides a visual focus of where the speech is being played from. You will notice that the Highlight Content option is set to words and sentences. By leaving this setting as is, the user will benefit from seeing where the speech is being played from at any moment in time. This is from the word aspect of the option. They will also see how long the sentence is. This is from the sentence aspect of the option. There are also options to change the sentence highlight style when either sentence or words and sentences is set, and there are highlight color adjustments that can be made to suit the user's preference. We now press Speech to return back to the previous window. Next, we press Voices in order to choose the voice to use for reading back. Then press on the preferred language. In this instance, we are choosing English. Here, you will see that the voices are grouped by accent. Our focus will be on the English UK choices. In this example, Siri Male is currently selected. This is noticeable by the tick. You will also notice that Daniel, Serena, and Siri Male have been pre-downloaded as there are next window buttons at the end of each option. For Kate, Oliver, and Siri Female, there are cloud icons next to each option. Here, I will press on the cloud icon next to Kate to initiate the download. Upon completion, the icon will temporarily return to a cloud icon and then change to a next icon. Here, in this example, we will press Serena. This takes us to the Serena voice options where there is a choice from two possibilities, standard quality and enhanced quality. Here, we will press on Serena Enhanced, which plays back at a higher bitrate and therefore sounds clearer. We now press English to return to the previous window. We now press Voices to return to the previous window, and then press Speech to return to the window before that. Next, we can adjust the speaking rate. It is important for the user to be familiar with this setting and to be comfortable in locating it, so that the speed at which the voice reads back can be adjusted according to what material is being read. This strategy is supported by what is demonstrated during the delivery of text-to-speech. When the speaking rate is adjusted, a sample of speech will read back.
Speak selection reads selected content.
And finally, the last feature to look at is the pronunciations. As with a demonstration of text-to-speech, it is important to teach the system how to pronounce words correctly that it is mispronouncing. We now press Pronunciations, then press the plus button to add in a new entry. In this example, we will type the word life cycle into the phrase box. Press play to hear how the word originally sounds.
Life cycle.
Next, press into the substitution area and type the word as it sounds. For life cycle, we will type it as life-cycle. Press play to hear how the word will now sound.
Life cycle.
We now press the hide keyboard key and then press pronunciations to return to the previous window. We now press speech to return to the previous window. Press Accessibility to return to the window before that, and finally press General. That concludes this video.